So in this tutorial we are going to learn how to enter the data into the cell and how to navigate from one cell to another cell. So just let's begin this one. So currently we are having hello, so currently we no need to this one, just we have to use cabinet. So cabinet I have already entered. Suppose if you want to go in this direction, you can use tab, or else like if you want to go from here to here, you can easily press here enter, so it will automatically comes down. Or else like if you type here anything and if you want to go down, you can see here one enter is also there, so it will behave like that one. So according to requirement you can use this kind of thing. So please remember, if you want to go from here to this direction, you can use tab. If you can go from here to here, you have to enter, press the enter button. So just enter some amounts like 100, then press tab, 200, then press 300. So like suppose you want to copy this whole thing here, you can do one more thing. You can see here one dot is here, and you can see currently it is on big one. Now it's look like a small one. So you have to just click this one and you have to drag it till whatever you need. So once you release, you can see it's already copy here to here. So this is a one way to copy this one. You can do one more thing. You can come here, you can click and you can see here copy option is there. So this you can see now dotted color. If you want to paste here, just click and use Control V, or else you can paste from here also. So when you are going to paste here, we are having so many options, like you can paste normal, you can paste only values, or you can paste formula. So this is one shortcut like that one. One more thing, like suppose you want to move from here to other cells, you can do one more thing. You can use your down direction, up direction, top direction, left direction, in the sense like, or else if you want to move from here to this direction, you can just press shift and arrow. So like this direction horizontal, so you can go like that one. You have to press shift and arrow. Or else if you need to go down, you can also go from like that way. So just press shift and down arrow. So you can see it's going down, down, down. So you can move from anywhere from one cells to another cell. So these are the some shortcuts, and this is a way to you can go from one cell to another